What's up guys, welcome to Just Know It. Now today's video is going to be very interesting because we are going to learn how to make some small coins on the internet. Make sure you stay to the end of this video because by the end your life will never be the same. Alright guys, so there's this app that allows people to complete a few tasks and then answer some questions and then you get paid. Alright, now it's not much, but I mean it's worth it. All right, if you're able to spend some time on it, you get a lot of money. I took some time off this channel to try out this app to make sure that it's really working, and then I made sure that I really cashed out before I'm bringing you this video. So make sure you stay to the end. Right, so if you have your phone, just get to Play Store and search for Tolonka. Right now, Tolonka is a real app. I've done my research and then Tolonka is very legit. All right, so like you can see, I've already downloaded it. So just open. I'm just going to go to open. If you are opening it for the first time, you would have to sign up. All right, so just sign up with your email. They'll ask you a few questions. Just follow the on-screen prompts just to get your account created. Now once you are done, you see a couple of tasks here. All right, you see a couple of tasks here that you have to complete to be able to get your money. Now, if you come here, if I come to this side and I come to money, you can see that while I took some time away from this channel, trying the app out, I cashed out $1.2, all right, into my Skrill account. But Skrill was asking for utility bill and whatever, a whole lot of stuff just to verify my account, and I didn't have those. All right, so I used it for something else. I transferred it into some Bitcoin account. All right, so I've signed on to Payoneer, and Payoneer is very easy to use. You can just cash out your money, just transfer it to your bank. It's very seamless. All right, so if you need to create a Payoneer account for the purpose of this video so that you can receive your money in your account, just click on this card right here and then it will take you to the video. If you want to finish watching this video too, I've left the link to that particular video in the description. Just click on it and it will take you to the video. Now if you go back here, you can see after my username alp.owusu, you can see some two sides there. The $ in white with some, 0.00, and then you have a /, and then there's another $ in $0.98, all right, in a different color. What this means is that if you complete a task, the money for that particular task will be shipped to the white area where I have 0.00 currently. Now the requester will check to see that yes, you've completed the task, and then what you were supposed to do, you did it, and then now the money will be disbursed to the other side, and that's where now the money becomes yours and you can cash it out. You can transfer it to your Payoneer account, or those of you who have Skrill accounts already and then you verify them, you can also transfer it to your Skrill account. Now Skrill is very easy. I mean, you can, for Payoneer, you can't transfer to your mobile money unless your bank account, but for Skrill you can even transfer to your mobile money. So those of you who have Skrill accounts, just connect Tolonka to your Skrill account and cash out. If you want Payoneer to, just click on the link, the card here, or check the description. You see the link to that video and just watch it. All right, so once done, you just come to available right here, and you can see some tasks here for me to complete. So the first one is quiz, search relevance, evaluation. Some of them are English. So if you open the task this way, some of the tasks, they need some particular answers and some particular stuff. So some of them, they will take you through 5 minutes training, sometimes 1 minute training, sometimes 2 minutes training, and the training even comes with some money, guys. The training comes with some money, but only if you hit a particular score. All right, so you can see that this particular test, this particular task, after the training, I'm going to be receiving $0.15, but with a 50 plus, greater or equal to 50 plus score. So after this, I'll receive $0.01, and then the task will also appear. That's when you are going to get, maybe they could give you like $1 or $0.05 or 0.5 or 0.9. You know, they could give you any amount. All right, so I could just go ahead and take the test this way, right? This is just for try. I won't complete it. I'm just, because, you know, so there will be a countdown, and then I'll actually have to guys, for this particular app, you have to read to understand what you have to do, and then make sure you do the right thing to be able to. So once, if I continue this and finish it, you see that the money will be shipped to this part, the white area, and then once the requester has approved that I've completed that particular task, the money will be shipped to the other side, just like this one where I completed this particular task. I did this task just right before I'm shooting this video. All right, now you can actually you can subscribe to some requesters and make them your favorites, so that the moment they release any task, you'll get the notification. All right, and so guys, that's basically it. So available, you can see a couple of tests here. Validation of English art title. Is the image a good picture of the zoo animal? All right, so this one you actually have to take an exam, and the exam will last for 1 minute, but this particular exam, they are not going to give you any money. But once you are done with the exam, they'll take you straight to the task, and then they'll tell you how much they are going to pay you. All right, now for your information, some of the tasks you can't do it in the app. Some of the tasks will require that you either do it on the PC or you do it on a web browser. Okay, it could be the web browser part, could be your phone, it could be your laptop. All right, so what I do is I search here, I look on the app. If I see any task that I'm not interested in, I go to Chrome, I log in, and then you know, some of the tasks appear. Now some of the tasks too will require that you are an iPhone user. Okay, some of the tasks will require that you're an iPhone, because some requesters may want some information from iPhone or something. And trust me, some of the tasks are such that maybe you have to take pictures of your face. Maybe like they want, maybe you've got a cat on you. Maybe they want to see the cat or something. I don't know. They use these things for research and everything. Now, I'm very particular about security, so I went ahead to search about to read about their privacy, security and privacy information, and I realized that whatever information they take from you is really secure. They don't sell it to any third-party organization whatsoever. Guys, so Tolonka is a very legit app. You can make some coins. You can link your Payoneer or Skrill. This other one, Papara, I don't know about it, but Payoneer and Skrill, you can actually make some money on Tolonka.